All right, welcome. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hidden power of your keyboard. I'm talking about 10 brilliant Windows shortcuts that are going to totally speed up your workflow, solve some of those common headaches, and maybe, just maybe, save you from having to restart your whole system.
Think about it. You use your keyboard every single day, but I'm willing to bet there are some seriously powerful secrets hiding in plain sight, just waiting for you to find them. So, you ready to unlock them?
So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with some everyday shortcuts to boost your productivity. Then we'll get into some awesome tools for access and display. And we'll wrap it up with the real pro-level tricks for when things go wrong. All right, part one, everyday shortcut keys. Let's tackle those little daily annoyances. You know, the ones that waste your time and clicks. These 4 shortcuts are going to fix that. Okay, so picture this. We've all been there, right? You copy a link. Then you see some text you need, so you copy that too. And poof, the original link is just gone, overwritten. So frustrating. But what if it wasn't actually gone? So instead of just hitting Ctrl+V to paste, try hitting the Windows key plus V. This opens up your clipboard history. I'm talking a list of everything you've recently copied. Text, links, even images. It is an absolute game changer. Just a heads up, you might need to turn it on in your settings the very first time you use it, but trust me, it's worth it. All right, next one, you're writing an email, a message, and you want to add a little personality, right? An emoji, maybe? So what do? Do you actually open up a web browser and search for one? Oh, there's a much, much faster way. Yup, just hit the Windows key plus a period or a semicolon, either works, and bam, the emoji panel instantly pops up. And you know what? It's not just for emojis. You get GIFs, you get a whole library of special characters and symbols, all right there, right where you're typing. Okay, let's say your hands are busy. You're juggling a few things, but you need to get a thought down or draft a quick reply. You don't have to stop everything you're doing just to type. Just hit the Windows key plus H, and that activates Windows' built-in voice typing. You just start talking, and it types for you in pretty much any text field. It's actually surprisingly accurate, and it is perfect for getting your ideas out fast, all without touching the keyboard. Okay, for our last everyday shortcut, let's talk communication. I mean, in this world of remote and hybrid work, being able to quickly ping a colleague is absolutely essential, right? Well, if you hit the Windows key plus C, it instantly launches your Microsoft Teams chat list. No more digging around for the app or clicking through a bunch of windows. It's like having a direct line to your team, and it'll save you precious seconds every single time you use it. Okay, moving on to part 2, access and display tools. Now we're going to look at tools that help you see your screen better and access your computer in totally new ways. This is all about making Windows work for you. Ever find yourself squinting at your screen, trying to read some tiny text or see the detail in an image? Well, Windows has a built-in magnifier. It's super simple. Just hold the Windows key and hit the plus key to zoom in, the minus key to zoom out, and when you're done, Windows key plus escape closes it right away. Now, for our really cool visual trick. What if you could change the entire color palette of your screen with just one command to make everything way easier to read? This shortcut right here, Windows plus Control plus C, toggles color filters on and off. Now, this can be incredibly helpful if you have a color vision deficiency, or honestly, even if you just want to switch to a grayscale mode to reduce eye strain when you're working late. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, let's imagine the worst. Your keyboard just dies. Or maybe you're using a touchscreen device and you need a keyboard right now. How are you supposed to type? This command is your backup plan. It brings up the digital on-screen keyboard. It's an absolutely essential tool for troubleshooting or for accessibility, making sure you always have a way to type. And now for the final section, troubleshooting tricks. These are the lifesavers, the shortcuts you need to know for those heart-stopping moments when an app freezes up or your whole system just locks down. The classic. This is probably the most famous key combination in the entire world, and for a very good reason. It's your first line of defense when a program just decides to stop responding. Hitting these 3 keys takes you to a secure screen. From there, you can lock your PC, switch users, or, and this is the important part, open the Task Manager to force quit a misbehaving application without messing up the rest of your system. But what happens when things get really bad? I'm talking a total system freeze. The screen is locked solid, your mouse isn't moving, and even Control-Alt-Delete does absolutely nothing. You think your only option is to hold down that power button and hope for the best, right? Well,
Not so fast. Take a good long look at this one. Seriously, this is the command that separates the pros from the amateurs. It's the secret weapon that even a lot of advanced users have no idea exists. So, what does this magic combination actually do? It forces Windows to completely restart your graphics drivers. Your screen will go black for just a second, you might hear a little beep, and then everything springs back to life. This can instantly fix freezes, black screens, all sorts of weird display glitches, and you do it all without having to restart your computer and lose all your open work. It is your ultimate escape hatch. So there you have it, 10 really powerful shortcuts to make you a more efficient, more capable, and way more prepared Windows user. From little everyday conveniences to emergency fixes, your keyboard is now a much more powerful tool than you thought. So the only question left is, which one of these are you going to try first?